Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Lady Lava's Ring Finger rings loud in Cardi B's Ultimate Summer Playlist.
I would say Ring Finger exceeded my expectations.
The song that became inescapable in 2024, heard at every party, trending across social media and flooding the airwaves, Lady Lava's Ring Finger. A year later, the lyrics still roll off tongues effortlessly. Just ask American rapper Cardi B.
Hands up, let me see a finger. Up, let me see a finger. You don't have a ring, then bend for the camera.
It's one of the rapper's favorite songs, and she's making it known by including Ring Finger in a curated Apple Music playlist of her summertime sound, saying, "These are the songs I've been listening to every day." In an interview with E Prime, Lady Lava reacted to the news.
I was happy. It was the first time that Cardi B showed Ring Finger love, or any of my music love. But for her to put it amongst a list with a lot of heavyweight names was a surreal feeling. But happy.
With over 6 million views on YouTube and more than 2 million streams on Spotify, the track has propelled the Queen of Steam's career, solidifying its status as a ladies' anthem.
Let me just say, before Ring Finger, I already had a music career. Like, music was already my career. However, Ring Finger placed me in the face of many people who did not know me before. So this song gave me a lot of popularity. It has become our ladies' anthem.
In the meantime, the Queen of Steam is expressing gratitude after being named one of the nominees for this year's Caribbean Music Awards in the category Zest Steam Artist of the Year.
I'm grateful for the nomination. It's great to be recognized for your contributions in music, I must say. Yeah.
Now, earlier this week, the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport and Guardian Life Limited launched group health insurance for Jamaican entertainers and creatives registered in the ministry's e-registry. Members received health cards during the signing with Minister Olivia Grange and Mr. Eric Hosen, Group President of Life Health and Pension at Guardian Group. Minister Grange outlined the main areas the plan covers.
The major areas: hospitalization, surgery, diagnostic services, prescription drugs, and maternity, dental, right? And all those things, all the things that basically you go to the doctor for.
She confirmed her goal is to provide insurance to all registry members and revealed the e-registry has grown significantly since its 2024 launch.
We have so far 4,552 individuals on the e-registry and 484 small and medium-sized creative businesses, creative companies on the e-registry. Almost 700 more than when we launched the life and personal accident insurance.
That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.